single day, I'm gonna make something
Take a bite.
great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tutan. This is Presley. Say hi. So today we're gonna experiment with some quarter legs. I have here my satay sauce, Vietnamese chili oil sauce that I made myself, and with some quarter legs. We're gonna marinate with that and see how it goes. Plus we're gonna add some soy sauce and some garlic. All right, are you ready? Let's get to cooking. Let's go. What are these?
It's fun.
Gloves. Put on some gloves. Yay. So guys, today I have my sous chef. Say hi to the camera. Whoa. Stay right there. Here we got some garlic. It's about 7 or 8 garlics. We're gonna cut it up first. Just to help marinate the chicken. Okay. We crush it first.
Huh?
We crush the garlic.
Huh?
We crush the garlic. Crush the garlic.
Yeah.
And then chop it.
Tap it.
Yeah. And then we add it to the bowl.
Well.
Yeah, add it to the bowl right here. Okay. Now we have our quarter legs. We see a lot of fat, right?
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. So we want to trim off the fat and the skin. With that. Then we want to, you either leave the whole quarter leg like that, or you can just cut it in the middle. So I'm just gonna cut it and have a leg and a thigh like this.
Chicken.
And then you want to cut scars in it
What's that?
like that.
What's that?
See? Same as this.
Lemongrass.
3 scars.
Scissors.
3. So you'll marinate through. Cut it. Bam, 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 bam. Just like that.
What's
Easy does it.
that?
See? Now we're gonna marinate it. Let's put this aside. Take this.
This.
Here we have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Scissors.
Soy sauce. Pour it in the soy sauce. And then here we have the Tony Tutan chili sauce, satay chili sauce. This we're gonna have 1, 2, 3. 3 heavy tablespoons of the chili sauce. We're gonna put some gloves on. Then we mix it up. Rub it in. Rub it in. Make sure you take the garlic from the bottom too. Yeah, rub it in, Kong. Get in there. Get in there. Rub it in pretty good.
Good.
Yeah. Massage it. It's spicy, okay? Don't touch your eye with it.
Okay.
You get that garlic on the bottom, just rub it in.
Right in.
Yeah, rub it in pretty good.
Good.
Ooh, the color looks beautiful, huh?
Avocado.
Yeah, beautiful color.
Avocado.
Okay. Let me see that. Okay, watch out. Oh, hold on. Don't get it on yourself, okay? Hold, let me see. Okay, stay right there.
That it.
Yep. So, hold on. Okay, you want to leave some more? Oops.
Oops.
It'll fly out. Okay,
Alright.
now we finish rubbing it in. We gotta let it marinate. Marinate. Okay?
Okay.
Then let's show everybody. Let's see that. Now, show everybody what it look like. See that? Look, looks beautiful. Yeah, so, okay, we're gonna wrap it up and put it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. And then we're gonna cook it for dinner, all right?
Daddy.
We'll be right back. What's up, food lovers? We are back. We are finished with this recipe right here, the Vietnamese Sate recipe. With this recipe, you don't have to have my satay. You can go to your local Vietnamese grocery store and they have the satay there. Vietnamese chili sauce, oil chili sauce. Yeah, so right here, look at this piece of chicken. It looks good, spicy. I think it's spicy. Take a bite. So good. The lemon flavor, lemongrass flavor. It's spicy. Oh yeah. With rice, eggs. Delicious. You want to try some?
No.
No, because why? It's spicy?
Spicy.
Yeah. Let Dad eat it all. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If you like the recipe, make sure you smash the like button and then consider subscribing, all right? Thank you. Bye.